In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook group cover using Visme. Let's dive right in and transform your group space into a visually appealing environment. First, you'll need to open Visme and start a new design. Once there, head over to the top left corner where you'll see an option to create something new. Click on that and you'll be given a few choices. You can either choose a custom size or go with social media graphics. For a Facebook group cover, it's best to set your canvas size to 1640 by 856 pixels. This size is ideal for ensuring your cover looks great once it's uploaded. Alternatively, if precision isn't your preference, Visme also offers a bunch of templates. One such option is the local Facebook group cover template. It's a handy starting point, especially if you're looking to create something quickly with professional design elements already in place. Next, let's talk about the fun part, designing your cover. Start with the background. This could be a vibrant photo, a soothing gradient, or even a solid color, depending on the vibe you're trying to convey. When it comes to text, make sure to prominently display your group name, or maybe include a catchy tagline or brief description. The choice is yours. Use fonts that are readable and ensure your text is positioned in the safe zone, which refers to the central area of the design that won't be cropped off when viewed on different devices. Add some spice with graphics. Head to Visme's graphics panel where you'll find a treasure trove of icons, shapes, and illustrations. Don't hesitate to use them to make your design pop. If you have specific images in mind, like community photos, incorporate them into the cover by cropping and positioning them where they look best. Once you have everything laid out, take a moment or two to polish your design. Use Visme's built-in effects like shadowing or transparency to give your text and shapes more depth and dynamism. It's essential to maintain balance, making sure your cover isn't overly cluttered but still eye-catching. Take advantage of Visme's alignment tools to ensure everything is just right. Before you wrap up your design, it's crucial to preview it. Zoom out or use the wide view option to ensure nothing crucial is perilously close to the edges. Double-check that your text and other significant elements are comfortably nestled within the safe zone, sparing them from being cropped later. Finally, it's time to export your creation. Click the download or export option in Visme and save your cover as a PNG or JPG. Opt for a high-quality export to prevent Facebook from compressing it too much once uploaded. Then, head to your Facebook group. Click on Edit Cover Photo and upload your newly designed image. And there you have it, a custom Facebook group cover that not only captures the essence of your group, but also looks fantastic.